Alright guys, we're going to do a quick video for you on how to upload videos from your camera to your phone to Windows 11. It's a little bit different than, let's say, your Windows 10 where you had to like pull up your file right here, and then when you pulled up your file, you had these little icons above here where if you had a camera, you could find the camera or your phone when you plug it in from your phone to the USB port in your computer, and then you can find that file where it says Apple phone or Android phone or a type of Canon camera or a GoPro as well. We're going to do it on the GoPro, but this should work on most of your phones if it has a USB to like USB 2 or 3 plug-in port that you get plug into your computer. The Apple one, you may have to use the USB 3 or the Lightning jack hook up with an adapter on the USB port in order to do this. But we're going to show you guys how to do it real quick. We're going to plug in my GoPro real quick, and should take a second or two, and then we can fill up one of these little files and find the file. I have a GoPro Hero Black 7, and it should hook up to here fairly easy. If I can find a USB port that is open, I'm plugging it in right now, guys. Again, like I said, I've not done it with this new computer quite yet, and once you open it up, okay, you should hear that ding. That means it's basically hooked up to the device. You can do this wirelessly with this as well through Bluetooth, but we use the USB cable. And now you want to pull up your file, hit your file, and you can do this 2 or 3 ways, or just 2 ways. It's a little bit different on Windows 11. You go down to your camera or your phone in your file, and once you find your camera or your phone, you click on the GoPro Hero or your phone, click it twice until you find your videos and files. Now we have a bunch of pictures here, and we have video files just of some random stupid stuff of me filming my TV or my computer screen here. And what you need to do here, it's not like Windows 10 now where it has the copy icon to straight to file. You have to right click on one of these files, open it up, copy it, and find the video file that you want to dump this into. Right click again and then paste that video file in there, which it'll take time to download as well to your file that you want to put it on. Now, it might take a few minutes here or seconds, depending on how big the video file is. You could do more than one video file if you want. Go back to Hero 7 or your phone, and you can literally coast all these over like that when you left click, and it'll permanently grab them, and then you can basically, well, you should be able to copy them, but again, right click and then copy, and then you can paste them straight into a video or picture file, and then paste them into a video file. And okay, it says blah blah blah, copy and replace. Okay, and then you can copy all those video and picture files straight into the file. It should have worked in theory. I don't know if it has or not, but we'll see whenever this is done. It's going to take about 2 minutes to do. But once the 2 minutes is up, we should have, in theory, unless it didn't copy it, all those video files on here. Let's see here. Again, you may have to just do it one at a time. I don't know. I tried doing it. Oh, yeah, there they go. It just takes a few minutes. And there you go. You can copy all your picture files from your camera or your phone and put it in a file, picture document file. Another thing you guys can do is right click again, and hang on a minute, you can right click that, or hang on, we'll go back to the Hero 7, and what we could do here is you could also do this too. You could right click a video file, copy it, and then move this over here. Right click on your main screen on your Windows 11, and you should be able to paste it in here somewhere. Okay, here we go. Paste shortcut. Okay. Okay, paste. There we go. And you can put your video files on your main screen as well and put them in an editor. It's better to do it through a file than pasting it on your screen. But you can also paste your videos on Windows 11 on your main screen from your video files or straight from the camera or phone. Again, can't see it. There they are right here. If you guys can see it in the right hand corner, we pasted them straight to the video file, and you can watch them if you want, or you could delete them. But basically, that's how you pull the video off of a camera, mostly any brand of camera, phone, or GoPro that you guys have. It's very simple to do, and once you do it and you figure it out, because a lot of people have problems with Windows 11 on how to copy the videos to a file. This is how you do it on Windows 11 from either a GoPro or a cell phone, or a Canon camera or a Sony camera, however you put it. Okay guys, if you like this video on how to upload your videos from your camera or your phone to your Windows 11 files on your computer, please hit the like, share, and subscribe. And this has been your old pal Hondo signing out.